days before rifle season. We're in a property here in Phillipsburg, Missouri. It's crunch time. We ain't had much luck all season. It's time to get the job done today. Take a day off work to hunt. The next week and a half we have off work. So hopefully there's a lot of killing happening and a lot of memories made. Stay tuned.
That's too far, too far. Too far, he's coming. Just hold on.
Hit the grunt too. No more.
He ain't as big as what I thought, but he is coming down here. Just hold on. God. Dude. Hey, you ready? Don't move, don't move. That's bigger than 150, buddy. Maybe you should. Oh my God. Hey, do the weight. I have to kill this thing. Easy, easy. Let him turn.
Meh. Meh.
Oh, stop. No. Hey. Alright, adjust.
Meh.
No. Stop. He's gonna jump. Alright, ready to kill that? Oh! You smoke him? Oh! You smoked it! Go down. Hold on. Dakota.
I shot my wall hanger.
Hold on. Oh, he's going down. Hold on, watch him. Go down. Go down. Oh my God. Dude, we just shot the biggest buck of my life. Hey,
guys, it's about 8:20 in the morning, about 20 minutes, 30 minutes right after I shot that deer. Biggest deer of my life. I mean, I am absolutely speechless. I've had a feeling all season that this is my year, and it's finally came together after through some getting busted by a few bucks. And to get it all on film to share with you guys, that honestly means more than anything to me. 10-yard shot, I mean, through the top pin in this letter 8, put her right there in the old blood pocket, and he's gushing. He ran about 80 yards and bedded down. And he hasn't moved for the past 30 minutes, so we're hoping he's dead. But we still have deer on us right now. So we're just gonna sit for a little bit, and hopefully another one comes in and our boy Grant can get on one too.
You know, coming to this farm, I didn't really know what to expect. I came here blind, and today is the day that I've killed 2 different deer in the past 3 and 4 years, on different farms, obviously. But last night Dakota goes, actually no, a couple days Dakota goes, let's just go to the Longland farm, just sit down there and see what happens. I was like, alright. Well, we down here and we get set up, and it was already daylight when we were getting set up. And these deer, they just all of a sudden fired up around 7 o'clock. And long story short, Dakota just put down the biggest deer of his life. I got to experience that and film it. But you know, these types of things, it's just a chase we go after, and that's what we enjoy about all this. It's not necessarily the killing part, but it's definitely the chase and the grind we put into this, and it's something that
with my best friend today.
It's something that a lot of people will never experience in their lives, and you know, this just never gets old, man. I mean, at all.
Well,
it's speechless. I mean, I don't know what to say. That's crazy.
Grant forgot to mention the fact that me and him have hunted like 3 or 4 times together, and then 3 or 4 times we've had good bucks or opportunities at good bucks. Last year, Grant shot his first wall hanger, or his second wall hanger, the biggest buck of his life. And this year, I shot the biggest buck of my life. Like, this is absolutely incredible. I mean, I can't even think of words to describe this right now, the way we're feeling. And it all happened in crunch time, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, we just made it to the ground. About to go put the hands on the biggest deer of my life I just shot. That's all I can say.
Oh yeah, there's a patch. Oh, it broke.
No, it's
Hold on.
I got full pass through. I can low.
You just be ready to knock another arrow.
I got blood everywhere right here.
Where?
Right here on your foot.
Oh, I see it right here. I don't know exactly where. Oh, I see blood.
You see blood?
Yeah, right here.
Everywhere.
Huh?
Blood everywhere. Absolute brute of a deer.
That's rolling. Let's go.
See, that falls off. Hold his head up, yeah. Yep. Oh my god. This is gonna be a panhandle. One. Oh. Got it. Dude, look how dark I'm at. I mean, he's old. We gotta have the tailgate down, boys. And down here to the wire, all I can say, I called this earlier in the week. We call this crunch time, baby. We got the job done. It just hits different. See, it's got that cool taste like a cold beverage in the stand. Nothing better. Hey, it's not warm like normal coffee that makes you poop. Hey, double shot. Get you one. I can't keep a serious face anymore. I just wanted to shout out double shot energy from Starbucks. It's just gas.